A lot of learners often say ER irregular verb, but I want you to understand something important. Ale is the only major irregular verb that ends in ER. Spelling changes verb in ER are not irregular verb. They are still regular ER verb because they follow the same conjugation pattern and keep the same endings. For instance, je takes E, tu takes ES, il takes E, nous takes ONS, vous takes EZ, il takes ENT. And here are some of our spelling changes. Now we have the GER, and you can see this in manger, that's the verb to eat. For instance, we say je mange, tu manges, il mange, nous mangeons, vous mangez, il mange. The extra E in the nous mangeons keeps the soft G sound. And secondly, we have the CER verb. Je commence, tu commences, il commence, nous commençons, vous commencez, il commence. The CCD is added before ONS to keep the soft S sound, nous commençons. So we have the ELER. Now we have it in appeler. That's the verb to call. You can see it in j'appelle, tu appelles, il appelle, nous appelons, vous appelez, il appelle. Now the double L, that's the double consonant, help us to keep a very good pronunciation. And then we have the ETER, and you can see it in acheter. Now that's the verb to buy. We say j'achète, tu achètes, il achète, nous achetons, vous achetez, il achète. Here the accent changes from accent aigu to accent grave, and or it changes from normal E to an E with an accent grave. And another example of this accent changing is préférer. But when you conjugate it, it gives us je préfère. Now we have the YER. Some verbs ending in YER change from Y into I in certain form. For instance, we have payer, that's the verb to pay. And when you conjugate, it gives us je paye, tu payes, il paye, nous payons, vous payez, il paye. So remember, the GER, we add E. For the CER, we add C. And the YER, Y can become I. And then we have the ELER or ETER. Here we double the consonant. For instance, you can see it in appeler or jeter. And then we have the accent change. Now it changes from either accent aigu to accent grave, or it changes from normal E to an accent grave. Now these spelling changes are not random. They simply help French speakers to keep the correct pronunciation. And if you don't understand, you can go to my channel, and the link is in my bio. And for those that is not in my bio, you can see it here. Just go there. I have a comprehensive class on these spelling changes. All right, à bientôt et on to the next one.